Yeah, today we try to do this question. This question is called MP squared. So in the beginning, there's the first m is always be -1, the remaining always be equal to 1. Then he asks you like how many result, how many product for 3 number add together should be equal to 1. The 3 number should be always less than J and K. So this 3 number should be less. The sequence should be last. So basically we have -1, -1, -1, and 1, 1, 1, right? So how we get this? So if you want to becoming 1, so -1 only can show odds, not odds time, even time, right? This one should even time, and this one doesn't matter, right? So we all depend on this one. So basically we need to choose. This is 3 number. If we get all the possibility, it will be this 3 number. It will be 5 choose 2, right? 5 choose 2. 5 choose 3, sorry. Same as 5 choose 2. 5 choose 3, and the 5 choose 3 is order, it will be 1 order. And u times 6 will be odd order, right? Everything order. So we just need a 5 choose 3. So to solve the order we already did, so we just use the combination, that will be done. And we will choose like 0, 1, right? So let's do the table. This time the table is good, so we can do is how many 0. This first one is how many 0? How many 0, right? How many 0, right? We have like so we must put all 0. So we have 0 and 2. We have 2 choices. 0, 1 and 2, 1. The rest should be impossible because you choose odds 1 to be 1. So this is M, this is P. Okay, here M, right? So for choose 0, 1 will be absolutely M choose 0. Because you choose 0, left the 3, left P to choose. So P choose 3, right? Okay. This one, if M choose 2, then P will be choose 1, like this, okay? So the question asks us, so like determine the number of the pair, like for exactly half of this product equal to 1. So it's half. So is it half? Is this one is the possibility, right? And you can do 1. You can do 1 minus P choose 3, right? This one, the half, will be equal to this plus this. You also can do 1, right? Choosing 1 and the rest should be also okay. We can do the both, right? So for example, we have like another choice is a 1. 1 and 3. For 1 and 3 will be absolutely, it will negative, it be 1 and 3, right? 1 and 3, this one will be -1. So 1, this is 1, this is -1. Then it should be equal. Also, this is 1, this total possibility should be half. It should be also okay, right? So now is the math part. Math part should not fun. So this one, so M is 1, P is P3, right? M0 is 1, so P minus 1, P minus 2, and we'll divide by 6, that was here, right? And we'll plus M will be M minus 1, M minus 1, right? So divide by 2 times p, right? What times p? Here, we're equal to mp, something like yeah, mp minus 1 and mp minus p minus 2 divided by 6. So this is this should be half, right? Should be half. Also should be half. Should times half. So we know this formula. Now from this we can say m and the p relationship. Now we can counting how many pair we have. So this is the first step we need to pass. Now we need to do this one very carefully. We will do this one very carefully. So what do we gotta do? We can do the is let's do that. Doesn't matter. What we do here is so for p here, this one we gotta times this is 12, right? So this one will be 2. Be 2, right? So p this is 3a, so it's p triple minus 3p squared and plus 2p, right? This is the things we have, and plus this will be 2 times this is 6, right? It will be 6, yeah, mp square p, so m and p, right? M p. Okay, here we have something mp triple, and maybe the other way will be much easier. You counting the negative one might be much easier. Here is the hard one, right? Hard one maybe. So but anyway, you need to do it correctly. Okay. Right. Here's the first one. Now we go next. Part1. So let's go here. 2p triple minus 6p squared plus 4p, right, plus 6 mp1 minus 6 mp. Now suppose you go to what? Go to this square open. This one open is n triple plus 3m square p plus 3mp square p triple minus, right, 3m square minus 6mp minus 3p square and 3p square. This is not that good. P square, 3p square, and plus 2m plus 2p. Okay. Here we now merge them together. So basically we have m squared, this one, and this one changing to this one. We're changing to negative that one, right? And this will be gone negative. Right, so this one and p, or p, right, p triple here will be changed to here will be okay, negative 1, and 6p here gotta be plus 3p, right, and the 4p here gotta be negative here, and that guy. Okay, this one cancel out, right? So eventually we have what? So since this new one should look like m minus a p triple. Okay, look like this one is minus a 3 m square minus p, right? So lucky here, and we got 2 m minus p, 0. Hey, we have lucky, we have this one. If you don't have this one, we go nowhere. Right? Now we can reopen this one, factor that guy, say m. Here, no, here, right? This is m squared plus 2mp plus p squared, right? It will be minus what? Minus 3m minus 3n, right? And plus 2. Here we go. We got this one. Now we need to do case study. So basically we need to do, this is two solutions. One is this one is that one. So first case one is will be m equal to 1. M equal to p, sorry, m equal to p, right? M equal to p. So this is 1. M equal to always working. So it's always working. So basically m, if they have a condition here, m and p must be greater than 3. So if m equal to 1, p equal to 1, so now, so 2 is okay, so we'll be start with 2, and this p will be bigger than this one, so for here, so 2 to 1000, so basically 2 to 1000. So this one would be 2 to 1000, right, this R working. Therefore this one is answer is 999. Okay, so we got this one, answer is 99. So after we got this one is don't know how many, right? To solve this one, we have another traditional move we should do is using the delta.